Tool 34 is going to tell us about passive verbs. A verb is called passive when someone or something else is doing the verb to the subject. In a passive verb, there must always be the prepositional phrase by someone or something that tells who or what is doing the verb to the subject. Okay? This prepositional phrase is either actually written in the sentence or understood and invisible. A passive verb is always a be helper verb plus a pre-started verb, PV. This is the only verb used for a passive. Okay, write that down just a moment. And I'll give you some examples. Okay. We said that these sentences were active, right? The boy is doing the eating, the tree is doing the falling, the Uncle Si is doing the growing of the mustache. Okay. If we make these verbs passive, they're going to look like this. Okay. The Pop-Tart was eaten by the boy. Okay. In this case, what's the subject of the sentence? Well, it's the Pop-Tart. Okay. Was is our be helper. Eaten is a pre-started verb. And by the boy is our prepositional phrase. Now this prepositional phrase tells who did the verb, right? Who did the eating? Not the Pop-Tart. The Pop-Tart didn't eat anybody. The boy ate the Pop-Tart, okay? So this can be thought of as a backwards verb. Here's this person or thing is doing this to that, right? Instead of the boy eating the Pop-Tart, right? So we kind of reverse the order. Okay, let's see another one. Instead of the tree is falling on the house, we could say the house was damaged by the tree. Okay, again, now the house is the subject instead of the tree being the subject, right? And was is our be helper, and damaged is our pre-started verb, and by the tree is our prepositional phrase. That prepositional phrase tells us what did the damage, the tree. What was the damage done to? It was done to the house. Okay, so in these cases, in these passive verbs, the subject is not doing anything, it's having something done to it. Okay? In this case, the Pop-Tart is being eaten. In this case, the house is being damaged. In this case, the mustache, which is the subject here, is being grown. Okay? PH and PV by Uncle Si. Okay? Okay. Just give you one more. Sometimes the by prepositional phrase is not there in the sentence, but it's understood, right? So I was bored. Okay. I is the subject. Was is our be helper. Bored is our pre-started verb. Now I could say I was bored, what? By the professor, right? But I might not always include that prepositional phrase there, okay? I might just be talking to my friend after class. How did you like class? Oh, I was bored, right? We understand that I was bored by the class, or I was bored by the professor, okay? So that may not be stated, but it's always understood that someone else or something else is doing this thing to the subject.